Good morning and students. Once again welcome to our new method of teaching video class. Yesterday we discussed about the first chapter of geography named India Size and Location. So in this chapter we discuss about the longitude and the latitude of the India, and now I would like to revise you again. As India is a westland and a west country, so it is in the northern hemisphere, and the longitude from the north to south, it is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 6 degree north. And if we discuss about the latitude, it's from Gujarat 68 degree 7 minute east, and in east it is 97 degree 25 minute east. The Tropic of Cancer, which is 23 1/2 degree north, divide the India into approximate 2 equal parts. The southern part of the India is just like as the peninsular, because it is surrounded by the water by three sides. It's in the western side it is surrounded by the Arabian Sea, and in the east it is Bay of Bengal, and the west in the south side it is Indian Ocean. Now we discussed about the land boundary. It is 15,200 kilometers from Gujarat to the West Bengal, and the liquid boundary, it is from Gujarat like this, 7516.6 kilometer, that means 7516 kilometers, and the total geographical area is 3.28 million square kilometer. It is the 2.4 of total geographical area of the world. In the India, there are two island groups. On the western side it is Lakshadweep, and in the eastern side it is Andaman and Nicobar. Now we move ahead. Now, as the India, it is surrounded by the north, northwest and the eastern side by the young fold mountain named Himalaya. It is from like this, from the Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and like that Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and all the eastern parts, it is the Himalaya. It is 22 degree, as we have discussed the Tropic of Cancer. It is 23 1/2 degree north, and from the 22 degree north it is shrinking and become just like as the peninsular. As it is a wasteland, and if we travel from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, it is about 2933 kilometers. So it makes a huge difference between the time. Approximately, if we discuss about the time, it is 2 hours difference between the time of Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. To resolve this problem, we have a longitude named Indian Standard Time. It is 82 1/2 degree east, and it is measured as the time meridian for whole the country. When it is 12 noon, it is the time for all the country. As we have told you, the time difference between the Gujarat and the Arunachal Pradesh, it is 2 hours. So let me understand you that how is it calculated. As the 1 degree, that means from the 1 latitude and the 1 longitude, it is difference 1 degree. So as we consider it from the west to east, it is 97 degree 25 minute east, and the 68 degree 7 minutes east. If we take a difference, it is about 30 degree approximately. And now we discuss about the 1 degree, as 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. The whole day is divided into 24 hours and each hour is divided into 60 minutes, and earth rotate in 360 degrees. If we calculate it, so it is approximately 1 hour 20 minutes, as the 4 multiplied by 30 degree 120 minutes, and 120 if we make it hours, it is 120 minutes divided by the 60 minutes equal to 2 hours. So it was second half, but some part is also remain. But over here, thanks to you to discuss with me about your chapter, and in the next video we will finish the whole chapter and resolve all your problems. At last, thanks.